Phrozen community, it's Claire. Today we're going to show you how to properly clean your resin vat. Not only will it extend the lifespan of your resin vat, it'll also improve your printing quality and avoid puncturing in your release film. Now, without further ado, let's go through the steps. There are 3 important steps to follow when cleaning your resin vat. First, use the vat cleaning function. Then we'll collect the leftover resin on the vat into another bottle or container. And lastly, we're going to deep clean the vat. First thing first, prepare all the things you'll need. A pair of gloves, 95% alcohol, clean cloth or paper towels, and a funnel. Now, don't forget to wear gloves before handling the resin vat to avoid skin contact with uncured resin. We're going to use the vat cleaning function on your printer to make sure that there is no cured resin residue in the vat. Here's a little tip. Fold a piece of paper in half and place it in the corner of the vat. Let half of your paper dip into the resin and the other half hang on the side of the vat. Click on Tool and choose Vat Cleaning. It'll take around 15 seconds and you'll hear a beep when it's completed. Now here comes the fun part. Gently lift the paper and the cured resin will come right off as a piece. Next, pour the excess resin into an opaque bottle to avoid curing. You can also use a squeegee to scrape clean the remaining resin. Now that you have an empty vat, use a clean cloth to wipe it clean. Then, spray some 95 alcohol on the release film and wipe it clean with a clean cloth or tissue papers. Remember to clean it thoroughly as cured resin on your resin vat may cause printing failure and damage to the LCD. Do not soak your metal resin vat in liquid for an extended period of time, since it can cause the paint on the resin vat to peel and the screws to rust. After it's dried completely, you can reinstall it into your 3D printer and get ready to print again. Thank you for watching. We hope this video gives you a better insight into how to clean your resin vat properly.